amend, suspend, or revoke permits. Go ahead. Do not destroy the environment. Follow it to a T. Wala tayong problema. Just pay the correct taxes, follow the standards. Gina Lopez is just doing her job. You know, she is really a crusader. So, that is how I would describe her persona. Crusader. Kaya, sabi ko, tama yan. Kaya, bakit? Nandiyan ba si Ma'am Gina Lopez? Secretary Lopez? Ganito yan. Pumunta siya sa Davao. Gabi na mga 1 o'clock because on the early days of my but I was, hindi pa ako nag-out. Marami na nagpuntahan. Ito, felicitations, congratulations. Si Ma'am pumunta twice. Every time she shows me the degradation of ito na. Tapos, 2 oras naman, mukhang hindi na matapos, sabi ko, Ma'am. Ma'am, do not be offended. Totoo man, huwag kang magalit kay, it's the truth. So, mag-alas 3 na, you Rudy, this man, tapos, extemporaneous na, parang rin congressman, ito, Ma'am. Kung Ma'am, mag-alas 4, Ma'am, ano kaya kung ikaw na lang ang Dina? Bigla rin siya nagsagot ka, totoo ka? Namasik ka mo. Sabi ko, hindi yung, Siya, I will ask I'll consult my family and ask my, nila. Following day, tawag siya kay may 80 bong. Sinabong, okay na, tinanggap na. Sabi ng pamilya ko, okay na. Sabi ko, ay, bantay kayo lahat. But, I would not be appointing somebody who's alien to my thinking. I would take in somebody who shares my horizons in life. Especially yung degradation ng... Tama yan, she's a crusader and she will continue. And dito naman lagay is, the DNR is likewise directed to review all permits granted to the mining